Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute Telegram group chat or channel. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application on your phone. And after you open your Telegram application, you have to select the group chat or the channel that you want to mute. And after you select the group chat or the channel, you just need to tap and hold on the group chat or channel like this to select it. Okay, and you can select it as much as you want, and after that you can click on this button to mute the group chat. Okay, and now the notification from the group chat and the channel has been muted. Okay guys, and actually there is another way to mute the group chat. So you just need to go to the channel or the group chat like this, and you can click on this three dots button, and you can click on mute, or you can also click on this button, this mute button. Okay guys, and that's how we can mute group chat or channel in Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.